Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Harbour Le Cou, a small fishing community located on Newfoundland's southwest coast. This area is part of the town of Rose Blanche. Harbour Le Cou, situated approximately 45 kilometers east of Port au Basque at the end of Route 470. The name, Harbour Le Cou, is of French origin, reflecting the area's history of French migratory fishermen who frequented the region in the early 1700s. The community's sheltered harbor provided an ideal location for fishing activities, contributing to its establishment and growth. The rugged granite coastline and white rocky cliffs, particularly visible at Diamond Cove, characterize the area's landscape. These natural features not only offer scenic beauty but also played a role in navigation and settlement patterns. Thank you for exploring Harbour Le Cou, a community rich in history and natural beauty.
Thanks for watching!